Ordering food at a restaurant. Have you been to this restaurant before, Sarah?
No, this is my first time here. How about you? What kind of food do they serve here, David?
They serve a mix of Italian and American dishes. Do you want to sit inside or outside, Sarah?
Inside sounds nice. The weather is cold today. Should we order appetizers first, or just the main course?
Let's start with appetizers, and then decide the rest. Do you like garlic bread or bruschetta as an appetizer?
I love garlic bread. Let's order that. Do you prefer sparkling water or still water, David?
Still water for me. How about you? Are you in the mood for something spicy, Sarah?
Not really. I prefer something mild and savory today. Have you tried their pasta dishes before, David?
Yes, their Alfredo pasta is amazing. You should try it. Do you want to share a pizza with me, Sarah?
Sure. What toppings do you like on your pizza? Do you like pepperoni, mushrooms, or extra cheese, David?
Extra cheese and mushrooms sound great. What about you? Do you think we should order a salad too, Sarah?
Yes, a Caesar salad would be perfect to share. Do you know if this place serves vegetarian options, David?
Yes, they have a whole section for vegetarian dishes. Are you in the mood for dessert later, Sarah?
Maybe. Let's see how hungry we are after dinner. Do you like tiramisu or chocolate cake for dessert?
I love tiramisu. What's your favorite? Do you think this place serves good coffee, Sarah?
I heard their cappuccino is really good. Should we ask the waiter for their recommendations, David?
Yes, good idea. They might suggest the chef's special. Are you okay with waiting a bit for food, Sarah?
Yes, I don't mind if it's worth the wait. Do you think we should order drinks now, David?
Yes, I'll have iced tea. What about you? Do you prefer soft drinks or fresh juice, Sarah?
I prefer fresh juice. I'll get orange juice. Should we skip the appetizers if we're sharing pizza?
No. Let's keep the garlic bread. It's a light starter. Do you think this restaurant has good portion sizes, Sarah?
I hope so. Let's enjoy our meal.
Did you enjoy the dinner overall, Sarah?
Absolutely. It was delicious and worth the visit.
Are you ready to leave now, Sarah?
Yes, let's call for the bill and head out.
Thanks for watching. If you like the video, don't forget the subscribe button.